So check all the options. First, 8x plus 10y equals to 25. So 4 upon 8 equals to 5 upon 10 equals to 15 upon 25. Is it so? First two are okay. Last one not allowed. So not there. Next, 2x plus 3y equals to 7. 4 upon 2 is not equal to 5 upon 3. Immediately gone. Okay. Third, 7x plus 14y plus 17. 4 upon 7 is not equal to 5 upon 14 and is not equal to 15 upon 17. Okay. Last, 12x plus 15y equals to 45. 4 upon 12 equals to 5 upon 15 equals to 15 upon 45. Right? This is the equation original. So does this satisfy? Yes. All are 1 by 3. So D is the equation which coincides with 4x plus 5y equals to 11. 15. Sorry. Yeah. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Think behind those videos and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.